good afternoon, boys and girls. My name is Mr. Green. So in my hand right here, I have a statistics sheet that we're going to be using today while playing handball. So on the top, there's going to be a key. So it says good, excellent, and needs improvement. It's identified with numbers. And there's a chart underneath to where you're going to put those numbers. But underneath this block is going to be another block where you're going to be doing tally marks. So while students are playing modified game of handball, the students are going to be assessing is to make sure that you're using tallies on the bottom and numbers on the top.
Awesome job, Mr. Green. So I know last class we were more practicing the basic skills within handball, but now we're going to be applying the rules more. We're going to be playing a little more of a modified game. So we're going to break up into groups later. It's going to be 3, 3, and 4 according to my math. Pre-warning now, the group of 4 are going to be the stat keeper and the referee group. You guys are going to be doing that mostly today. In the next class, you guys would play. I'm going to go over the referee duties right now on the sheet. It's a little small, you may not be able to see it right now, but the referees will see it. It has all the rules on it for you. I'll go through some of the 3 right now. No player travels, you know, the 3 steps rule that we went over. 3 steps, I gotta dribble it, pass it, or shoot it. If a referee sees it, they're gonna go like this. Just like in basketball, can everyone do that for me really quick? Go like that. Secondly, call the goals. See you go in the goal. Blow the whistle, hands up in the air. Goal! It's like the World Cup. And then lastly, no player goes out of bounds with the ball. It's a turnover. Like I said, with the ball, or if the ball just goes out of bounds from a wayward pass, you'll blow the whistle, wave your hand to the side of which sideline it went out of, and that'll be that. So right now, we're going to ask you guys to get in 2 groups of 3. That'll be the team, and then the group of 4, like we said, will be the stat keeper and the referee. So just go amongst yourselves and do that now. Got 3 right there.
3? You right there? All right, so everyone that's left over is going to be the assessors and the referee. So the students who are left over, can you come by me real quick so we can go over if there's any questions that you have with this assessment or statistics sheet before we continue.
Who's going to be my officials?
So,
Just the assessors. Who are my referees?
so I guess Moab and Sam can be referees.
Mob and Sam. Sam, did you see my demonstration of the officials?
All right, so if you have any questions about the program?
Let Sam in on some of that knowledge. I'll let yours copy down and I'll copy you. Yeah.
You don't want to play? Come on, bro.
If you have
Going
any
crazy.
questions with the referee?
And then Sal, you want to go? Let's take it in the groups. You want to go?
He said, okay.
I just went with the assessors.
The hands, like we gotta go over the half-court handball.
Okay.
Boundaries are going to be the block. We're going to go over it in a second. We're just getting you guys in your groups right now. All right, once you get in your groups, everyone come out here into the court for me so we can explain how we're going to be playing today. All right, so since this is a limited class and it's only 3-on-3, we are only going to be playing half court, right? So it is going to be like standard rules, right? Catch the ball, 3 steps, either dribble it, pass it, or shoot it. Let's say there's a turnover. Turnover happens when the ball hits the ground, or a teammate or an opposing team intercepts it. Now what's going to happen is, instead of a fast break happening that way, let's say Sal's on my team, we got to go. So 3 steps out. See, that would have been a turnover, but got to get to the black line. What I'm going to have you guys do is touch down, and then you guys can start your offensive possession. Sound good? All right, so just to review a couple of rules. How many steps do you have to take? 3. How can the ball be turned over?
It's the ground or
Dropped or intercepted, right? And, what?
There's also one other way too that can be turned over when the ball goes out of bounds.
Ball goes out of bounds. That's why we're co-teachers. He got my strength, I got his weaknesses. What's up?
Okay, so if the ball is thrown and the opposite team catches it without touching the floor, you don't have to go all the way.
No, that's a good question. Did everyone hear Christian? Christian, you want to repeat it nice and loud for the group?
Yes, if I throw the ball and the opposite team catches the ball, will you have to still go back to the line?
Yes, you do. So whenever the other team gets a turnover, come back. Because imagine it's full court. You know, you would start going that way, right? So you're gonna come here, touch down, then you guys can start your offensive possession.
I just have a quick question. So let's say I intercepted.
Yeah.
My team and I were trying to get back.
Yeah.
Re-intercept it. while I'm trying to get back?
It's a good question. We'll play 3 take-backs for now,
Okay.
and we'll see how that goes. Colin, yes?
What about the goals?
What about the goalies? It's going to be man-on-man defense, 3-on-3. Sound good? Yep. All right. So let's go. I want a team captain from this team captain from this team. Play rock, paper, scissors, see who gets the ball first.
All right.
What are we doing? Rock, paper, scissors? Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
All right. So Colin, your team starts on this black line. You two can spread out wherever you want. So I can just shoot it right now. You guys each person has to touch the ball before you shoot it. That's another good question. Oh, wait a second. Sorry, guys, sorry. Spread out, spread out. All right, stack teachers, are you guys ready?
Almost. I just
Almost.
gotta identify what they're gonna be observing.
Referees, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Here, Mo, how about you get this sideline, Sam, you get this sideline.
Just 3 seconds.
Sound good?
So do like
Got a whistle? Perfect.
rotate to another line.
All right, stack keepers ready? Stack keepers ready? No?
Yeah. Ready?
Guys are ready? Coach it. Andre, coach it. Spread out. All right, and you guys can start. Good. Go. Keep an eye out. Keep an eye out.
So, right now what you're seeing is a 3v3. The explanation was a little bit long, but I think that in this case, since it's the very first time that we're teaching something like this, is okay. Also, it's not part of the criteria anymore, at least for this session, so it's okay. You see that you have the role key, the different roles. You see that in this case you have the statisticians. They have one player per. In the type of stats we're going to see, let me show it. They have this sheet where you see the passing, the catching, the ability to create space. They're tallying as they are observing. You have the referee, which in this case is Mohab there in the end. What is your role, Sam? Referee too? So you have 2 referees, Mohab on the one sideline, and Sam is on the other sideline. So already 5 students are using a different role. There's 2 teachers, and then you have the 3 versus 3. So for the class size, it's a perfect organization per se. The demonstration that they did was a little bit short. I will be a little bit more comprehensive about it, but again, it took some time. In this case, the referee got a handout of what they are going to be called, so it's appropriate for them just to follow.
Quick teaching moment. Have any of you guys used the dribble yet? Nope. Nope. So let's try to incorporate that into the gameplay, because a lot of you guys are getting trapped. You don't have an open pass. Remember, you can dribble. All right, reps, you got it.
Okay, this is a reminder of a cue here. Okay, that's a rule that they have. Everybody have to touch, so that's for increasing the participation. Now I see that. Let me take a look at what the charge was. In this case.
I see a
So-
set sheet's coming.
Good
We haven't
charge.
switched the other team yet, or
How to apply statistics.
yeah, let's try and switch. Or,
Okay,
just like, do
so
like a slash.
that's the part
And
that
then just
needs
numbers
some
on the other
observations
side
in
when you start
here.
to-
When it comes to the role, it is assigned, the format is good, as a format is good. But when it comes to those parts that I highlighted or that are highlighted in the stats sheet, that's what needed to be the case. So perhaps this, in terms of the dynamic of the game, should have been that they are playing, but then based on what is the type of performance, the teacher was going to stop it and is going to address what it was. I would use the first few minutes of it for that to be the class, where you're providing the demonstrations, the cues, and all of that, and then briefly afterwards, then you put them to play and then arrange them in this fashion, then for them to be the ones responsible to do so. So it's perfect. The coaching is just a role that is added on here because the focus is on the stats, but that is also fine. There's no problem because they're still running the event per se.
I know, I called it wrong last time, that was my fault.
So that would be the only change. That highlight on the statistic part, and also the demonstration could have been a little bit more elaborated, I would say, based on the criteria that is on the statistic. Other than that, I think that everything was well understood. 4 minutes.
4 minutes?
4 minutes.
We're three? Alright, first to six. First to six wins. 4 to 3. It didn't have. I saw it was at 4 or 5. That's the score. That's 4-3 us. Alright, 4-all. 4-all. Now it's 4-4? Yeah, 4-all. 4-all. First to six wins. Lead. Good defense, good defense. Turnover. Good job, good call. Good job by the officiating crew so far.
I think that's good feedback, but again, it's incongruent. It's something to do because you want to provide that type of feedback. But so far, the type of lesson was going to be on statistics. They are just sitting there. They're just observing, and of course, knowing the statistics. This needed to be the emphasis as they play the game. That's my observation from previous.
Yeah, we'll go, one more, first to 5 now, first to 5. Oh, all right, well, next goal. Turnover. All right, last possession here, then we're going to regroup, we're going to have a little discourse.
Very technical, Ryan. Good discourse.
Good passing lanes. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. All right. You guys good? All right. Let's get our stat sheets and see how you guys did. And then the rest of you guys, let's have everyone line up on the black line. Guys, round of applause for the officiating crew. I saw no missed calls.
Thank you
Calls. Very good job from all of you. One missed call by the teacher. You're very right, Colin. That's why I'm a student teacher.
Okay, you can stop. Yeah, you can stop. Yep. Thank you. An applause.